Happy Friday, November 11th, National Education Day. So grab you a book and learn you something. Speaking of Fridays, Black Friday weekend is coming and Honda of Fairfield has some great deals for you to consider. Buy any off-road helmet at full price and get a pair of Fly racing goggles for only $1. Supplies on hand are limited, and when they're gone, so is the deal. Over in Service Department, if you call or stop in the 25th or 26th to schedule any routine maintenance appointment between then and December 31st, you'll get 25% off your total service bill. Honda of Fairfield has got all the deals this Black Friday weekend, so come out and see what we have to offer. Cha-ching. If you call or stop in the 25th or 26th to schedule any Rubin, supplies on hand are limited, and when they're gone, so is the deal. Blah, 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 blah. Racing goggles for only $1. Supplies on hand are limited, and when the deal is gone, when they're gone, so is the deal. I can read words in a row. Stop in the 25th or 26th to schedule any routine blah, 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 blah. One take. Just need to do it in one take. One take. Any routine maintenance appointment between then and December 31st. I see you. You're taking my eyes off teleprompter. All right, take 92. Yeah, that's the jams. Read a book, suck a fish. Read a book. Supplies on hand are limited, and when they're gone, so is the balls. And of course, the AC kicked on. Cha-ching. 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 Should it be a lot of cha and a little ching, or just some ching? Something is wrong with this, and I can't figure it out. Outtakes.